So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Moonchain coin, its price prediction this year, Mega Balloon, and its major central exchange listing because friends, this coin is already listed in Binance Futures. So is it possible that we can see Binance spot listing and Coinbase listing this year? Or no, so it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. France XC Moonchain current price 0.0 to $8 drop by almost 16%. Okay, 16% dump in last 24 hours and 9% dump in last 30 days. 28.5 million market cap. Okay, so market cap is still no doubt very good, 28.5 million, because due to recent tariff news dump, entire crypto market was dumping and all meme coins was barely dump here, but his market cap is still good, 28.5 million, because it's a meme coin. 80.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Friends, trading volume is also very good. Okay, huge trading volume, almost 3x more trading volume than its market. Solana ecosystem, Hippo theme meme coin. You can see friends, the Dozu theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem. We are 95% down than its all-time high. They were 4 months ago, $0.68. And right now you can see friends, its current price is just $0.28. 95% down. So right now, Moondang in massive dip here. 84% up only than its all-time low. And no doubt, friends, entire crypto market is dumping. So that's why all meme coin and all other altcoins are in massive dip here. So this meme coin is also in massive dump. You can see friends, these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. So Coinbase is already list this coin, Gate.io and MEXC. Okay, HTX, Bitnix has listed, Bitget has listed, and KuCoin has listed. Lbanks already used central exchange listing for this coin. Kraken has also listed this coin, and as I already show you that this coin is listed in Binance Future, so maybe it's possible that Moondank can be the next listing for Binance Sport also, because you can see it's still not listed in Binance Sport, but Coinbase has listed this coin, so this is massive listing for this coin. But friends, before further details about Moondang, if you not join my Telegram channel yet, you can also join my Telegram channel, link in description, where you can get all other cryptocurrencies updates here. You can also join my Telegram channel. So friends, now my price prediction about Moondang is that as its current market cap is 28 million, current price $0.02, and right now we are 95% down than its all-time high. So no doubt Moondang is in massive repair, and already Coinbase has listed this coin, Binance Futures has listed this coin. So this is no doubt amazing performance from this meme coin. So, and Solana ecosystem meme coins, friends, definitely when again crypto market will recover, when we see BTC new all-time high and a massive bull run in meme coins. Okay, a meme coin super cycle mega bull run at that time, definitely Moondang has potential to make a new all-time high, because right now we are 95% down than its all-time high. So it's definitely possible at that time Moondang can kill this zero and make a new all-time high that can be around $1. Okay, because you can see circulation supply is 989 million. So if this coin can reach this circulation supply, then its price will be equal to $1. But I think definitely Moondang has potential to be the next maybe 5 to 10 billion dollars market cap coin. It's really possible, because this is a new meme coin going to fast its first mega bull run this year. And in crypto market mostly we have dog and cat theme meme coins, so that's why this meme coin is also very unique, because it's a hippo theme meme coin, a Solana ecosystem meme coin already listed on tier 1 central exchanges, but still Binance Sport listing is left. So when definitely this coin will be listed in Binance Sport, we can see a massive rally in this coin. But in this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon, I think we can see Moondang price up to maybe $5 to $10 here. Right now its price is $0.02, but friends, I think Moondang has definitely potential to be the next maybe 5 to 10 billion dollars market cap coin, and at that time it can reach 5 to 10 billion dollars market cap here. It's my price prediction that can be true or not, because it's a prediction. What do you think? What's your price prediction about Moondang? Are you going holding this or not? You can must comment down below. And friends, if you not have Gate.io and MEX exchange accounts yet, you can also join both central exchanges. I provide you both central exchanges, links in description. Okay, You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coin before listing on major central exchanges. Just like this Moondang. Moondang initially listed on MEXC and Gate.io and many other central exchanges, but after that it listed on Coinbase, Bitnex, Gemini, Binance Future and make a massive hype. So if you wanna purchase all meme coins at early stages, so you can join MEXC and Gate.io. Both are good central exchanges. I already provide you both central exchanges links in description.